iCare Eye Super Speciality Hospital, a unique healthcare institute, has been providing excellent eye care to its patients for the last 20 years. Hospital's building is constructed in an area covering 60,000 square feet, consisting of 17 peripheral centers, which provide services to patients from all sections of the society 24 by 7. iCare has 9 super speciality clinics. Doctors here perform 14,000 surgeries per year using state-of-the-art equipment and facilities. With a team strength of 20 dedicated eye consultants, 45 skilled optometrists providing the services to over 400 OPD patients daily.
I started about 20 years back, and though the moment had started a lot earlier, about 3-4 years before that. So Dr. Chaudhary, when he lost his mother, he got a small amount of money from the insurance and he didn't know what to do with it. So he started doing free surgeries, free cataract surgeries for poor patients. He used to go to the slums of Delhi, pick up patients from there, get them to his house and operate them at the house and drop them back. Soon there were a lot of demand for this and a lot of free patients started flocking. And people, like-minded people saw this and they formed a trust under which the hospital land was procured. The money was led by Amjad Ali Khan. He did couple of shows at Sri Fort Auditorium at that time. Money was collected and land here was bought. Then through individual donations, the building slowly came up. Primarily it was a charitable hospital, so it was doing only free work. But charity has to sustain itself, so a paid section was also started and Dr. Chaudhary's private practice was merged into it. So when the private work started to pick up, the number of free patients also started to become humongous. So that's how it is a principle in which we are charging the rich and taking care of the poor.
iCare Eye Hospital offers comprehensive medical and surgical management for all vitreoretinal diseases with the most advanced technology. A separate waiting area for all its retinal patients, a team of highly experienced retinal super specialists are available full-time.
I think I can safely say that we can look after the large majority of retinal diseases that there are. We have 3 full-time, extremely well-trained retinal consultants. We also have the top-of-the-line equipments required for the diagnosis of all retinal conditions. The common ones are, of course, the fundus camera and the OCT machines. But we also have rarely found equipment such as the electrophysiology lab and the ultrasound biomicroscopy. Lasers which are required for certain retinal diseases are performed by the top-of-the-line machines that there are. However, there are some persons who need retinal surgeries, and we perform roughly 1,000 to 1,500 retinal procedures in a year. And of course, we have the top-of-the-line machinery requirement for all these retinal surgeries. So I think I can safely say that we can look after all the retinal diseases that present to our hospital pretty well.
Kids Vision Club at iCare Eye Hospital has a team of highly specialized professionals backed by sophisticated technologies and friendly environment to detect and treat eye ailments for children.
It's important to look after the children's eyes right from birth till infancy, so that any problems that may arise or that may be neglected by the parents or the parents are unaware of the problems can be taken care of. And we enjoy looking after children's eyes so that they can have an optimum vision when they grow up and be good citizens.
iCare Eye Hospital offers comprehensive medical and surgical management for all vitreoretinal diseases with the most advanced technology. A separate waiting area for all its retinal patients, a team of highly experienced retinal super specialists are available full-time.
I strongly recommend iCare, not because I'm a part of it, but because I believe in having the best technology under one roof in all the subspecialties of ophthalmology, backed by a very competent professional team which believes in giving ethical care to all our patients. So I strongly feel that it's one good destination for all eye patients for the same reason.
Patients at iCare feel very satisfied by the atmosphere and services of the hospital. Mr. Amar Krishan Bala is a regular patient. He shares his experiences after being operated at iCare Eye Hospital.
I have been visiting this hospital for last 3 years. I came over here for operation of my cataract in both the eyes. and I got operated of my retina and my left eyes. The services are very good and helpful to the patient. They take care of the patient very well.
iCare Eye Hospital is committed to provide comprehensive quality ophthalmic services of international standards to all sections of society at an affordable cost. Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, CEO iCare, shares his vision.
We take pride in is that when a patient comes down to us, we as general ophthalmologists see the patient, and whatever is required, we then refer the patient to the super specialist. There's a cornea department, there's a glaucoma department, the retinal uveitis department is very huge, the pediatric and the squint department is totally separate. So when a patient walks in, and if he has a minor problem, we as ophthalmologists, as eye specialists treat it. But if he requires specialized treatment, we refer them to the respective departments where their super specialists see them. These super specialists are authority in their own right, in the sense that they have done their fellowships after their post-graduation in the premier institutions of India, and some have gone abroad as well. So we take pride in that we have a team which takes care of everything. Besides, each department has the most recent technological advancements with them. That means that they have the machines which might not be available anywhere else in UP, and we are giving those services to the children.